Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in organic chemistry. The chapter is haloalkane and haloarine. This is one of the chapter in 12th standard portion. Okay. Now we are going to give already I given the questions. So one day back. Now I am going to give the solution to this. Now see the first question. So I already told you study some important reactions as well as important name reactions. Then only you can able to answer these kind of questions. Mostly you have to find out A, B, C like that. This kind of questions only in organic chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry problem. Understood? Okay. Now let us go to the first question. CH3CH2Cl, ethyl chloride reacts with alkyl KOH to get A. Same ethyl chloride reacts with aqueous KOH to get B. Same ethyl chloride reacts with sodium to get C. So we have to find out the common A, B, C. That's a question. Understood? Okay. Now see, I told alcoholic KOH means you must know this is a beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction, okay, or dehydrohalogenation reaction. You must know. Then only you can able to answer this. Each and every reagents we have some function will be there. This is dehydrohalogenation. This is Woods reaction. If you see sodium means you must know it's a Woods reaction. If you see aqueous KOH means it is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Understood? Okay. Now we can solve the one. We can find out A, B, C. Now see that first one is ethyl chloride. No, CH3, CH2. Okay, Cl. Understood? Okay. Reacts with alcoholic KOH. No, reacts with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. How? This reaction is called, I told dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means what? We have to remove, this is called, alpha carbon. This is called what? Beta carbon. Okay. We have to remove halogen from alpha carbon, hydrogen from beta carbon. That's why it's called dehydrohalogenation. Understood? How halogen is removed? By what? KCl by K. So what? Minus KCl. Understood? Okay. Then from beta carbon, hydrogen is removed. How this hydrogen is removed? This hydrogen, what? Reacts with OH to form what? Only one hydrogen, not 3 hydrogen. One hydrogen from here, one OH group from here. So minus H2O. Understood? Then O is remaining. Here CH2, no? Here also CH2. So in between alpha and beta only we are removing. Then only one double bond will come between alpha and beta. Understood? Now the product is, CH2, CH2. Okay, single bond. Sorry, not single bond, double bond. Understood? Okay. CH2 double bond, CH2. Nothing but what? This is called what? This is ethene. Understood? This is, common A. Common A is what? Ethene. Okay. So see, ethene. Understood? Okay. Now, next one, common B. Common B is, simple one. Aqueous KOH, no. So simply, I'll write it here. That aqueous KOH simply replace the Cl by what? OH. Okay. How here Cl, okay. Just substitute. Instead of chlorine, we substitute what? OH group. So, so B is what? B is nothing but, OH. When OH group goes here, the product is what? CH3, CH2, what? OH, no? So, it's nothing but ethanol. You know that. Okay, it's called ethanol. See the option A, ethanol. Okay, now come to C. C one is very, very important. C nothing but, if you see sodium means, you must know what kind of reaction. This is what? You must know, this is called Woods reaction. Okay, you must know it's a Woods reaction. Then only you can able to find out the common C. See, Woods reaction, I told ethyl chloride you should write 2 times. Sodium also you should write 2 times. Then only we get the product C. So, I write it here. See, this one write 2 times. That is, CH3, okay, CH2, Cl, okay, plus, 2 times sodium, Na. Again, one common, if you are mostly organic chemistry, if you want to write the 2 commons same time means one common you should write as it is, one common you should write reverse. Then only we can get the product. See, Cl. I just write reverse direction. Then only we can get the product very easily. Understood? Okay. Then what happened? So that NaCl is removed. Understood? Here also what? NaCl is removed. Remaining is the product. You know the remaining CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Understood? That's the product. You know that the product having what? How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means what? You know, butane. So option A is the correct one. So I'll write it here. CH3. Okay. Here also CH2. Okay. Remaining only I just write CH2 is what? CH3. Understood? Okay. Here we have 4 carbon. No, 4 carbon means what? Butane. So okay. So option, you know, A is what? A is what? Ethene. B is what? Ethanol. C is what? Butane. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So within one sum, I given 3 questions. Understood? So just like that, they will ask the questions in NEET examination. If you practice all this, you can easily answer. Okay. Now let us go to the second question. So all the concepts based upon I have given one question. Okay. I didn't neglect any other concept. Okay. Each and every concept I given one question. Okay. See, one alkene is there, one HBr is there. Immediately you must know it is Markovnikov rule or anti-Markovnikov rule. If you use peroxide means it's called anti-Markovnikov rule. No peroxide means it's called Markovnikov rule. Okay. So here simple one. If you use peroxide means it's called anti-Markovnikov rule. You know that. Suppose I write here. You know, I'll write this one. CH3. Okay. CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2 plus what? HBr. No. Okay. I told you. What is this? If you use peroxide means you must know this is called anti-Markovnikov rule. What is anti-Markovnikov rule? You know, first of all, you split them. Plus, minus. Here also, wherever double bond is present, you split them. Okay. Honestly, you just split this. Okay. What is anti-Markovnikov rule means? You know, actually, first of all, you should know Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule means what? Negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Okay. But understood, Markovnikov rule means Markovnikov rule. Nothing but negative part goes to carbon atom. Okay, negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen, less hydrogen. Okay, simply I am writing. What is anti-Markovnikov rule means what? Anti-Markovnikov rule. Negative part, no. Here positive part will go. Positive part will go to less number of hydrogen. Simply I written. The statement I written very simple form. Peroxide is given. No, this is called peroxide. Then only we should follow anti-Markovnikov rule. So anti-Markovnikov rule, positive part. Positive part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Which carbon having less number of hydrogen? This one only, no. Okay. So the positive part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Automatically the other part no, it goes to other side. So what's the product? You know that. What's the product? You know, when H comes here, it becomes what? CH2. No, already one H is there. Now it becomes CH2. Then double bond becomes, you know, single bond. The Br goes to this carbon. So now the product is what? So CH3. Okay, CH2. Understood? Again, here. Who will come this side? Hydrogen is coming, you know. So it becomes what? CH2. Again, single bond. CH2. Br. This is the product. Understood? Okay, what is the name of the compound? This is nothing but I told you. This is nothing but 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. 1 having bromine, no. So 1 bromo what? Butane. 1 bromo butane. See, 1 bromo butane. Okay. So maybe this answer. Okay. Then again we have to find out this is only A. This is only common A. A only we found out. Now go to the B. Here nothing is there. No, RMR nothing is there. So you must know this is called Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule means? Negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. That's all. This is a Markovnikov rule. So now write it here. So this one compound is given. This is the first one. The second one. Okay. So here see that CH3, CH, double bond. Here to the carbon, 2 CH3 is attached. Then only you should split and write. Then only you can able to answer. Okay. So here CH3. Understood? Okay. Now as usual I told you here what? HBr. Okay. Now here RMR no, peroxide no. So this is based on Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule means I told you here as usual you can split them. First of all you split them. Plus, minus. Here also wherever double bond is present, we have to split them. Then we can find out which carbon having less number of hydrogen, which carbon having more number of hydrogen. So Markovnikov rule means what? Negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. So this is a negative part. This is negative part, no. It goes to carbon atom which having no hydrogen, no. So automatically the positive part goes to this side. You following? Understood. Now the product is what? Okay. So here H comes to this carbon, no? The product is what? CH3. Okay. CH2. Understood. Down single bond. C. Okay. Here CH3. Here also CH3. Then bromine. Are you following? Okay. The rule only just memorize, then only it will be easy. Okay. Now what's the name of the compound? So you give the number, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 having bromine, no? 2 bromo, 2 methyl butane. 2 bromo, 2 methyl butane. So A is the correct option. Understood? So here, based on Markovnikov rule, this is called based on anti-Markovnikov rule. I said one question. Okay. Next one. Say, toluene. So if you see this means what? H2 means what? Light energy. So if you see this means you must know what is this. What is the meaning for this means? Replace sp3 hydrogen by halogen. Just remember, replace sp3 hydrogen by halogen. Okay. If you see this one, okay. So what is sp3 hydrogen? Benzene. The hydrogen which is present in benzene is sp2 hydrogen. Okay. Then so which one is sp3 hydrogen means this is called sp3 hydrogen. So you just replace this one hydrogen by halogen. That's all. That's the product. Replace one hydrogen by halogen. So the product is what? You know that it's a product. Okay. CH2. Replace one hydrogen. Already we have 3 hydrogen. No. So replace one hydrogen by halogen. Understood? So CH2 Cl. Understood? So this is A. So A is what? Benzyl chloride. See, this is a benzyl chloride. Next one. B. The same compounds reacts with chlorine, but in absence of sunlight. This is called presence of sunlight. Absence of sunlight. Absence of sunlight means, we are getting ortho product and para product. Among the ortho product and para product, para is the most stable compound. Then only they are asking only stable compound. So para chlorobenzene. Here the chlorine will come. No. Okay. So answer is benzyl chloride and para chlorobenzene. Okay. Are you following? Very simple question. Okay. Same compound. In presence of sunlight, we get one product. In absence of sunlight, we get another product. Understood? Okay. Next one. Benzene reacts with chlorine. Chlorobenzene. Simply you can say no. Only chlorine is added. No. So A is what? Chlorobenzene. Then, so just what is A? A is called what? Chlorobenzene. No doubt. Isn't it? Benzene plus chlorine, chlorobenzene. I told you, whenever if you see sodium, you must know what kind of reaction. This is one name reaction. Phytic reaction. Okay, sodium if you see means you must know. This is called phytic reaction. Aryl halide plus sodium means we are going to get, you should write this one in 2 times. No. Okay, the same compounds you should write 2 times. Outright. So here 2 times sodium I am writing 2 times. This also I am going to write in 2 times. Okay. They will give only 1 time, but you must know. Okay. Sodium also write 2 times. The chlorobenzene also you should write 2 times. Okay. Now product is what? Understood. Just understood. NaCl is removed. Here also NaCl is removed. The 2 benzene together. Okay. That's why it's called what? We can write like this. Biphenyl. Understood? So A is chlorobenzene. B is what? Biphenyl. So option A is the correct one. Understood? Are you following? Next one. 5th one. Ethyl chloride reacts with AgCN to form A. Ethyl chloride reacts with KCN to form B. See, AgCN means, it always, it forms, it's a colon character. But this KCN is an ionic character. Okay. So it always forms isocyanate. It always forms cyanide. So that this only just remember, then only you can be able to answer this. So it forms isocyanate means what? As usual, AgBr is removed. But isocyanate means what? NC. So the product will be what? CH3. Okay. CH3. AgCN always form isocyanate. Isocyanate means, CH3, CH2, NC, isocyanate. Good. Okay. So A is, ethyl isocyanate. Then KCN always forms, cyanate compound. Okay. So cyanate means, CH3, CH2, CN, ethyl cyanate. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. Understood? So due to, this is ionic character, this is a colon character. That's why this forms like this. Okay. Right. The reason and all is given in your textbook. Just go through. Chlorobenzene reacts with magnesium in dry ether to give compound A, which further reacts with ethanol to yield dash. That's the question. Okay. Chlorobenzene means, chlorobenzene, I simply write, C6H5Cl. It's a chlorobenzene. Reacts with what? Magnesium. What's the product? Magnesium to give, in place of dry ether is a solvent, to give common A. We just add together. We are getting, Grignard reagents, no? C6H5, okay, MgCl. We get Grignard reagents. Again, which further reacts with ethanol. Ethanol means, the formula CH3, CH2, OH. Understood? Ethanol. Okay. So always, whenever ethanol, water, anything, it reacts with, Grignard reagents, always we are going to get one hydrocarbon is obtained. Okay. So what's hydrocarbon means? You just remember like this. Here, the C6H5 combines with the H. What's this? Which hydrocarbon is obtained? C6H6. That's the main product. Okay. C6H6. Nothing but what? Benzene. This answer. Others are subproduct. You don't worry about the subproduct. Mg, one in the middle. One side we put OCl, another side we put CH3CH2 or OCH2CH3. Okay. So main product is what? Always, Grignard reagents on hydrolysis. Okay. Always we are getting one hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon is what? Benzene. Understood? Okay. Next one. So here, it covers the whole lesson. That kind of choose I have given in question number 7. Okay. See, shades of rule. Shades of rule means, I told you dehydrohalogenation. Okay, dehydrohalogenations of, alkyl halides. Shades of rule means I told mostly we're getting stable alkene is obtained. Stable alkene means here how we can get alkene removal of HCl. So first one is, C. First one is what? C. Shades of rule means you must remember this is called dehydrogenation. Okay. Markov rule means, one alkene is added to HBr. Okay. That's called Markov rule. Whenever alkene is added to HBr, that's called what? Markov rule. So 2D. Understood? 2D. Okay. Then SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction means, SN2 reaction, SN2 reaction is called inversion configuration. But SN1 is called retention configuration, or we can say racemic mixture. SN1 only, we're getting the product racemic mixture. So third one is what? Third one, A. Understood? A. Understood? For now, you know the answer nearly. Alkylidine halide. Nothing but, the two halogens are attached to the same carbon. That's what's called gem dihalides. Okay. Gem dihalides, or we can say alkylidine halide. Okay. So fourth one, B. Understood? Fourth one is what? B. So what? Which is the answer? CDAB. CDAB. This is the answer. CDAB. Understood? Okay. So this type of questions in our academy we are doing every day. If you are interested, means you just come and join. Okay. It will be very useful to you. We have only limited days. Okay. So if you practice, you can complete your NEET examinations within one attempt. Okay. So understood? So this type of questions you can practice means it will be easy to understand. So first understand the concept. Okay. The concept means you can easy to practice this and all this type of questions. Understood? Okay, students. Thank you.